Good morning, it's Friday morning and it's Pat's Pup Park walk. I'm coming to you from the Botanic Gardens, the River Kelvin side, and it's a glorious morning. I have two doggies today, Floyd and Darcy, who say hello. We've got Darcy, who's standing over there, and we've got Floyd here. So we're enjoying a nice quiet walk. I'm going to be back home soon because I'm going to welcome another new pup just overnight. My friend's daughter's pup called Mac, a nice pointer. So I'm looking forward to that. And I'm just seeing, I don't know if you can see a wee duck there? Just a wee duck swimming along. Now, I was going to start the live video earlier, but there was a leaf blower and the noise was just overpowering the sound of the water, the running water, the river, still flowing quite fast. But it's just beautiful. Just breathe in that lovely air. Just affirm I'm thankful to be up this morning, and I'm grateful. And just a deep breathing, filling my lungs, increasing the lung capacity. Oh, here's somebody coming, making a noise. That was some cyclists and just standing for a moment. I hope this is helping you. There's so much grief around the world. We're all becoming overwhelmed. I was hoping to have my podcast up, but we'll be doing that soon. Just let the sun shine down in on the camera. It's beautiful between the trees. Oh, you know how I do love my trees. There's that wee duck. Still just, I think, looking for food under the water there. And if we look carefully, look, we can just see buds coming on the trees here. This will soon be in full bloom. The weather's warmer, but we've got to remember this is still March and it can be cold in the morning and cold at night, but it's dry. We've to be thankful for the sun. Oh, there's another two wee ducks there now. I should learn to know what kind of ducks, but there we are. A lot of knowledge to gain, haven't I, on what kinds of trees, what kinds of birds, even the daffodils. I saw quite a few daffodils, and there was the white ones, there was the yellow ones, there was the mini ones. I think there's thousands of different varieties. I heard someone say that on the television. We just heard a jogger pass there. I just think it's lovely, just dawdling along in the sunshine. I'll move up a bit, we can see the sun glinting on the water there. I don't know about you, but there's something calming about just running water. We're very lucky to have some glorious parks in Glasgow. I think I've said this before, but I think we're one of the cities that have the most parks, the green city. I might be wrong, but we have so many beautiful parks. So remember, if you're getting anxious or panicking, don't don't keep watching the news. It really can be overwhelming.
Buddy. Come on. Go this way.
That's why he's on the lead. Selective hearing. He just doesn't follow me at all. Oh dear. I'm just interrupted there by a wee doggy who's a bit like Floyd. Doesn't want to listen. So Floyd's got selective hearing as well. So that little interruption was quite nice there. But, oh, there's another doggy there. He's moving on. So back to the Friday morning, inspiring and motivational video. Just, I know we all want to do our bit, but just don't get caught up in constantly watching the news or listening to negative news or letting other people scare you, whether it's to do with more vaccines, more strains of virus. It's just never ending. So we need to take ourselves off and just be quiet for a moment, just be mindful, take a moment to be in the moment. And this is what I'm doing just now, just being here, being thankful for the sunshine, the running water. That looks really clear and fresh. Listening to the birds, looking at the green grass there. So that's your affirmation. Just, I'm thankful, I'm grateful. Just a simple one. If you're feeling down, turn it around and say, I feel good. It really changes your perspective on things. It changes your mindset. And then, of course, the deep breathing. Breathe in through the nose. Hold. And then exhale through the mouth. It really does improve your immune system. And we need that. And, of course, creative imagination. Close your eyes and take yourself to wherever you want to be. So I hope this has uplifted you for a Friday morning to take you into the weekend. And remember my 2 trademark tips. Smile and laugh. They cost you nothing. And virtual hugs to everybody. Catch up with you next week. Okay, have a great weekend. Bye.